Most people think AI automation means robots replacing entire jobs overnight. But that is not what is actually happening. The real change is quieter. Businesses are using AI to remove the boring, repetitive work that eats up hours every single day. Emails, meeting notes, customer questions, reports, spreadsheets, follow-ups, admin tasks that nobody enjoys, but every business still has to do. And that is why AI automation has become one of the biggest software trends in business. In this video, we are breaking down 7 types of AI automation that businesses are using to save time, reduce mistakes, and move faster. Number 1. Meeting notes. Meetings are expensive, not because of the room, or the call, or the software. They are expensive because 5 people can spend an hour talking, then another hour trying to remember what was actually agreed. AI meeting assistants solve a simple problem. They listen to the meeting, create a summary, pull out action points, and sometimes even send follow-up notes. This does not replace the meeting. Number 2. Email triage. Every business has inbox overload. Customer emails, supplier emails, internal updates, invoices, complaints, follow-ups, newsletters. Most inboxes are a messy mix of important messages and noise. AI email tools can sort messages, suggest replies, flag urgent items, and help teams focus on what actually needs attention. The real business benefit is speed. If a sales lead gets answered faster, that can mean more revenue. If a support question gets routed to the right person faster, that can mean a better customer experience. Number 3. Customer support chatbots. This is one of the easiest forms of automation to understand. A customer asks a common question. The AI checks the company knowledge base. Then it gives an answer, or passes the conversation to a human when the problem is too complex. The goal is not to pretend the AI is a human. The goal is to handle the simple questions instantly, so human support teams can spend more time on the difficult ones. For companies, this can reduce waiting times, lower support costs, and keep customers from leaving because they could not get help. Number 4. Spreadsheet and data analysis. A lot of business decisions still happen inside spreadsheets. Sales numbers, costs, stock levels, marketing reports, staff schedules. The problem is that spreadsheets can become messy very quickly. AI analysis tools can help people ask questions in normal language. Instead of building formulas from scratch, a user might ask, which product had the biggest drop this month? Or, where did costs increase the most? This is powerful because it makes data useful to people who are not data analysts. A manager does not always need a complicated dashboard. Sometimes, they just need a clear answer fast. Number 5. Workflow automation. This is where AI connects different apps together. Imagine a customer fills in a form. That creates a new lead in the CRM. Then a welcome email is sent. Then a task is created for the sales team. Then the lead is added to a spreadsheet or dashboard. Without automation, someone has to copy and paste that information between tools. With automation, the workflow runs in the background. This is one of the biggest reasons businesses pay for software. It reduces manual work, but it also reduces human error. Number 6. Content repurposing. Businesses do not just create one piece of content anymore. A webinar can become a blog post. A blog post can become LinkedIn posts. A long video can become short clips. A podcast can become email content. AI tools can help turn one original idea into multiple formats. This does not mean the final content should be lazy or copied. The best businesses still edit, fact-check, and add a human point of view. But AI can speed up the first draft and make the content process less painful. Number 7. Sales follow-up. Most sales are not lost because the product is bad. They are lost because nobody follows up properly. A lead asks for information. A call happens. Then days pass. The prospect forgets. The salesperson gets busy. The deal goes cold. AI-assisted CRM tools can remind teams who to follow up with, summarize previous conversations, and suggest the next best action. The business benefit is simple. Better follow-up means fewer missed opportunities. So, what is the bigger picture? AI automation is not just about replacing people. In many cases, it is about removing the repetitive work around people so they can focus on judgment, creativity, relationships, and decisions. That is why businesses are paying attention. Not because AI is magic, but because time is expensive. If software can save a team 5 hours every week, across months and years, that becomes a serious business advantage. The companies that win with AI will not be the ones that use the most tools. They will be the ones that understand which tasks are worth automating, which tasks still need humans, and how to combine both without creating more chaos. If you want a simple way to think about it, remember this. Do not automate a broken process. Fix the process first. Then automate the repetitive parts. That is where AI becomes useful. And that is why business automation is only just getting started.